What you're looking at here is not just a data set. This is the starting point of an intelligence system. We begin by generating structural global data, then applying statistical analysis to detect meaningful signals across country and time. This includes trend modeling, anomaly detection, and risk scoring. The goal at this stage is simple. Take raw information and turn it into something the system can understand. Here we're identifying anomalies using z-score analysis. But not all anomalies matter. So the system ranks them by severity and context, separating real signal from noise. You can see extreme drops and spikes in the maps directly to real-world events. This is where data starts to tell the story. But the notebook is only the foundation. This is where most projects stop. SignalForge goes further. We now move into the live system. Everything you see here is powered by FastAPI. Each endpoint presents a layer of intelligence that can be accessed, explored, and interacted with. There is no longer analysis. This is a working intelligence interface. Starting with charts. Here we can load visualizations on demand. Trend charts show long-term global progress. Scatter plots highlight outliers and anomalies. Heat maps reveal where signals are concentrated across regions and time. And relationship charts connect economic and health data to expose different patterns. We also added narration, because insight should not require deep analysis to understand.
Highlights statistical anomalies in the dataset. Collection of all visual intelligence outputs.
We now move into the risk layer. This is where multiple signals are combined into a single score. Low life expectancy, weak economic conditions, and population scale all contribute. The system ranks the most vulnerable conditions and it scans and gives attention where it can be focused, where it matters the most. Briefings. This is the intelligent briefing layer. Instead of raw outputs, the system summarizes what is happening globally. It connects trends, anomalies, and economic signals into a clear narrative. This is where analysis becomes communication. Decision intelligence. And finally, a decision layer. Here we move from insight to action. The system breaks things down into cause, prediction, consequence, recommended action. This is the final step. Not just understanding the data, but knowing what to do with it. Here we have an API showing another endpoint with a nice layout for data. SignalForge is built around a simple idea. Data is everywhere, understanding is not. This system bridges the gap. It transforms raw data into signals, signals into insight, and insight into action.